Harry oversees the digital marketing efforts for a successful and global widget company. He invests in multiple ad networks, ongoing SEO, and numerous social channels to advertise his company's widgets. Now Harry needs to track which channels are returning the best ROI to streamline his ongoing marketing efforts. Harry quickly realizes how difficult this task can be. After all, stitching together organic, paid, direct, referral, and social website traffic to their related lead metrics, not to mention drilling down into actual leads to determine validity, requires pulling data from varying sources and custom building unstandardized reports, which can take several days. Harry needed a better way. Then he found SourceCube from Core and More Technologies. With SourceCube, Harry can consolidate and automate this data into a simple, singular reporting paradigm, saving him both time and money. And Harry's not the only one. SourceCube has reduced reporting expenditures for one of its users by 75%, while enabling more effective decision-making, which led to a 141% increase in lead volume in the first 6 months after adoption. Getting started is easy. Talk to an expert today.